Unit 121, cleared for transport. All personnel stand clear of the rollout lane.
Tension in the steel bay. Ensure routing tags are secured. The afternoon shift begins in 10 minutes. Accurate blank sizing reduces die wear and keeps flange locations true.
Lower it slow, steady now. She's seated. Lock her down.
The press bed is checked with feeler gauges at the die rails. Precise shut height ensures a uniform draw and avoids cracked corners.
Controlled temperature sets microstructure so pins and shafts resist deformation.
Correct tube form ensures smooth power transfer and reduces noise.
Here we observe the contact pattern against the master gear. This centralized bearing area is essential for long service life and durability.
Bearing races are pressed into housings using an arbor press. Correct seating depth sets bearing preload and prevents overheating.
Correct ring gap prevents blow-by and maintains power under load. Calm and methodical.
After milling, the surface flatness is checked with a straight edge. This prevents coolant leaks and maintains vital compression. Correct timing prevents power loss and backfire that damages the engine.
Gear backlash is set with shims and checked with dial indicator. Correct backlash prevents overheating and tooth breakage during load changes.
Jig welding prevents axle bend that causes tire wear and steering pull.
The steering gear mount is riveted and reamed for bolt fit. Reamed holes prevent steering box shift that would introduce play.
Brake pedal bracket and master cylinder mount are installed on the frame side. This rigid mounting ensures consistent brake feel and full hydraulic pressure.
U-bolts are tightened over spring pads with long wrenches. Proper clamping prevents axle shift under braking and acceleration.
The rear axle is aligned and attached to the springs at the rear stations. This alignment prevents driveline bind and uneven tire wear.
Brake lines are bent and routed along frame clips. Correct routing prevents chafing that would cause hydraulic leaks. Labeled circuits reduce assembly errors that cause shorts and dead systems.
The transfer case is assembled with the gears stacked precisely onto the shafts.
Proper gasket fit prevents oil leaks that starve bearings.
Precise assembly ensures clean shifting and prevents gear clash damage.
Proper lubrication prevents U-joint wear and vibration.
A little to the left now. Easy, easy, easy. Looks good here, Chief. Send her down.
The front grille is bolted to the frame horns and aligned by hand. Proper grille alignment supports the radiator and protects cooling airflow.
Secure latching prevents hood lift that blocks vision and damages windshield. Correct clipping prevents chafing shorts that could disable the ignition. The steering column is secured and the wheel installed. A smooth, free rotation confirms proper alignment, preventing binding during maneuvers. As you can see, the air bubbles are expelled into the jar. Once the fluid runs clear, tighten the valve securely.
Final inspection passed. All requirements met. Clear this vehicle for deployment. Unit 121, cleared for transport. All personnel stand clear of the rollout lane.